A subtle way to promote your content is to create a guide that is mostly comprised of other users' posts, but sneak your own posts in too. This will not look like self-promotion, and it will also include your content amongst other popular, reputable, and valued creators. If you have a product that is available on the Instagram shop, you can create a product guide. In this, you can explain your product a little bit better, perhaps the manufacturing process, your inspiration, the benefits, why you chose certain elements, and why it is perfect for your audience. You can even create a behind-the-scenes guide or even in making all in order to further highlight your product. If you are the owner of a small business that has a physical location that is available on Instagram, you should create a guide to this business. If you have a cafe, perhaps, you could explain elements of the menu or elaborate on your coffee making process. Depending on your audience, they will love this. Top 7 ways to use Instagram guides. The main purpose of Instagram guides is to give recommendations and provide audiences with information in a more long-form manner than other posts on Instagram allow. They are a combination of a blog post with a reference guide. They are incredibly simple yet effective ways to collate ideas and information. In this guide, we will discuss the top ways to use Instagram guides and how this can be beneficial to businesses and branding online. To promote places and small businesses, if you or someone you know has a business with a physical location tagged on Instagram, you are able to create a guide promoting it. You can use user-generated content as well as your own in order to advertise in an exciting way for a business. You could explore the production process, give information on the business creation process, or different elements of the business within this guide. It will really help your audience get to know your business. Plus, audiences love to know the ins and outs of what and who they are supporting. To share information, you can use your posts as well as others in an informative guide. Using content from other creators in addition to your own is a great way to supplement your content and reach new people, as well as give exposure to other creators. And then to create a guide to your favorite spots. Create guides for your favorite place. This is great for people with an influencer-geared account. Users want to shop, eat, and visit the cool places that they know that their favorite creators frequent. Fantastic for travel guides. Turn your posts from a city into a visitor's guide and give your recommendations as to what is cool and worth checking out. You could also just create food guides and Instagram-able location guides. That one is bound to go down a treat. Behind the scenes. You could provide a detailed overview of a product or share some of the exciting production processes. Again, this depends on the kind of content you've already been sharing with your audience. Followers love to feel like they're getting sneak peeks or exclusive content. They also love seeing the less structured posts. For example, behind-the-scenes glimpses. This is yet another way to give depth to your brand. Create partnerships with businesses. As you're promoting businesses or content, particularly once you've built a large following, you'll be able to create partnerships and sponsorships with business. This makes your brand more reputable and increases your exposure. More information. If your brand shares a lot of information on Instagram posts, for example, sharing text posts with definitions or explanations of current events or even just quotes. Collating relevant posts and news into a guide is a great way to go into more detail. You should collect all your posts around a single theme or idea and create them into one easy-to-navigate guide for your audience. You'll be able to go into more detail in the comments, and this is also a great way to provide recommendations for new resources or new accounts to follow. The only limit with Instagram guides is your imagination. You can create so many different things depending on your pre-existing content, your content strategy, your audience, and your creativity. Think outside the box and determine what sort of content your audience wants to be recommended and then do so. 5 reasons why you should use Instagram guides. Social media platforms are constantly bringing out new features to keep us scrolling through content and posting new posts on their platforms. The latest offering from Instagram is the Guides feature. A guide is, effectively, a kind of built-in blog post, meaning that users can create lists or recommendations on a certain topic. They involve using posts that have already been posted on Instagram, with new headings and descriptions. This presentation will run you through several reasons as to why you should take advantage of the new feature and use Instagram guides. Reason 1. Instagram guides are the best way to share your knowledge and recommendations. You create lists and compilations of posts centered around a particular theme. You can create Instagram guides on any topic, from products and places to posts. The only requirement is that the posts have already been posted to an Instagram feed. Reason 2. Guides will help you to build a personal brand. It will add authority and strength to your posting and make your business seem more reputable. You want your followers to trust and believe in you, so sharing your expertise in guides is a fantastic way to cement your brand leadership. Reason 3. Guides are a method for you to create a new kind of content. They can aid in the transition of your brand, for example, becoming more of an expert on a subject rather than an influence. However, it does not have to be an entirely new type of content. Instead, it can supplement your existing posts. This will allow you to add detail that you simply cannot in a regular post. Reason 4. You can collate all your posts under one topic in one place, which is easier for your audience to read. For example, for products, you can collect your behind-the-scenes pictures or the process. You could even do a guide that is as simple as collecting your favorite cafes and restaurants. Reason 5. Even if it does not yield immediate results, guides are a long-term feature. They will still be available on your profile, and presumably, the information will still be accurate. You can update your guides and republish them in information orders, but it can still be a fantastic way to begin to position yourself as an authority on a certain topic. Additionally, you can use guides to share content from other creators. This is a great way to not only build relationships with other brands, but also to insert yourself into the in crowd. By including your posts amongst the popular accounts and leaders in your industry, you're raising your reputation and influence too. To conclude, using Instagram guides will have numerous benefits for your business. Take the time to determine where and what guides will best fit into your content strategy and most resonate with your audience. Then, let your wisdom do the talking and watch your audience grow.